Hi! There's probably white deposit at the bottom of your kettle and on faucets, commonly called limescale. Where does it come from and why should you fight it? You will find out everything in this video. Let's start with the chemical side of the problem. White deposit in a kettle is caused by precipitation of calcium and magnesium salts from water. It's called carbonate hardness. But there is also non-carbonate hardness. It results from presence of sulfates, nitrates and chlorides in our water. These compounds do not precipitate while heating. The main problem is caused by calcium. Water with a neutral pH contains equal amounts of calcium carbonate, calcium hydrogen carbonate and carbon dioxide. Heating water or raising its pH value may distort the balance, resulting in precipitation of deposits. The problem of hard water occurs to varying degrees in many parts of the world. Hardness of your water depends both on whether you draw it from the mains or from your own well and on the region in which you live. In each case, it is a good idea to check what parameters our water has and if it influences a piping systems in your house. The water hardness scale can be illustrated as follows. You can usually check water hardness using a test kit provided by your water supplier. You can also test water for hardness yourself with an appropriate drop test kit, which if used properly is a very reliable solution. In the case of your own well, you should perform a comprehensive physico-chemical test to check both a degree of hardness and other physical and chemical parameters. So much in theory, and how does hard water influence our lives? Limescale is deposited in heating and hydraulic installations, and the household appliances quickly turn into garbage. Deposit layer, which is only 3 mm thick, can cause energy losses of up to 30%. What's more, it dries our skin and causes redness. Due to high surface tension of hard water, cleaning agents are less foamy and harder to rinse, which causes dry hair and need greater amount cosmetics. What's more, hard water also impairs effectiveness of detergents and laundry products. Fabrics washed in hard water are faded or gray, rough and require the use of fabric softeners. Another visible problem is streaks on the shower cubbicle, faucets and the bathtubs. The harder our water is, the faster limescale deposits on the fittings appear and the harder it is to remove them. When else do you suffer from the effects of hard water? Definitely in the kitchen, when cooking or preparing hot drinks. Most of you have probably seen oily film on top of tea. This is what tea brewed with hard water looks like. See for yourself. Here are 2 cups of tea prepared with hard and soft water. They are different not only in appearance, but also in taste and aroma. So how can you deal with the problem of hard water around the house? The solution is a central water softener based on ion exchange resin. Water softeners are available in cabinet versions and as B-block devices. The choice of a suitable solution depends on users' requirements. You can find out how a water softener works in another video on our channel. I hope that thanks to this video you will be able to discover your enemy and defeat it. If you want to improve your water quality or you have any additional questions, don't hesitate to write at this email address. See you!